Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can connect to your Spotify account to display your music and your status on Discord. So as you can see, there's this like listening to Spotify bit, and to connect it, go to user settings, connections, then go to Spotify. And then from here, you are going to log in. So I'm just going to do that right now. And then after that, as you can see, it's been connected. If I go back to Discord, I'm just going to select display and profile and also display Spotify as your status. So whenever I play a song, it's going to be on my Discord status and people will know what I'm listening to currently. That is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!